but you need way over. Your right side needs to be there. There, yeah, that's your end side.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Right, dude.
What's this now?
See you on the other side. How, dude? Jeez, you're going well.
Look at that, man. We got a split on this side.
Little here too. It's not too bad here.
No, man. We need better wedges, man.
Be careful, man. You're gonna hit the other axe. How are you getting on?
You know them cramps in the fingers?
There's two light tools, man.
Two light tools.
Hey, you have to use your muscles way more.
Yeah, but it's in the finger, so it seems only from holding the...
Yeah, but because you have to whack it, like, you know? It's my theory, anyway.
I'm not sure, man.
That's okay. Now she's going.
It's the best wedge so far, anyway. We true?
Yeah, 90%.
Smooth hour. Are we happy? Woo!
I have no idea. It remains to be seen.
I think it's promising.
It looks promising indeed.
The only problem that might occur, that's a weak spot.
I'm curious about how this looks further in the wood, you know?
You want to whack this side off. You're not starting carving with this big lump.
Chances?
I'm not chancing it. We don't do chancing anymore. Hey, maatje.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Oh, cramps, man. Ah!
Here, mind your head.
Ah, dude! How did it happen? How, man? How? What do you need?
I need a bandage. Just a little slit is all it takes.
How bad?
It's skin, I think it's just okay. But it's nasty, like it's stupid.
Smooth Gefixt.
Yeah, so I completely wrecked my hand, my fingers. Like it went in there.
We heard all the sound it made on the video.
Yeah, that was the nastiest thing, was to hear that sound back. That was the nastiest
Oh
thing.
man, I'm cringing all the time I'm watching it. I hope you guys aren't too shocked. So how long has it been, Dylan, and how is your hand?
Yeah, so from the last thing you guys saw and the last thing we did, it's tomorrow, 2 weeks.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So it sucks. Haven't done anything in 2 weeks.
I hope you will be rolling too, man.
I hope so too. So tomorrow inspection in the hospital. But sure, like what can you do, like lesson learned, you know, but there's always like after something happens, you're like, oh, should have done this, should have done that. And like if I did this, then this didn't happen. Or if I did it like that, then it would have gone like that. You know, it's too late now. But it still doesn't mean that you shouldn't like rewatch it and learn from it, you know. So like in my opinion, there was 3 vital mistakes, and probably without any of those, the whole thing could have been avoided. And the first one for sure is like, you know, having 2 hands on the handle. Sure, if you have 2 hands on the handle, you can't hit your other one. You know, simple as that.
That's a lot of truth in that.
You know, simple as that. But like the problem was that at the time, I guess it was towards the end of the job, so we're sort of getting sloppy and relaxed and like, oh, we have the job done, sure.
It was your last, we were hammering, sure, so you're paying already less attention because you're hammering.
Yeah.
I think it's more safe than using
Yeah,
knives.
no, sure, exactly. Yeah, so I was one-handed, blah, 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 blah. I mean, of course, I was still conscious of like what we were doing required a form of awareness and a form of safety. But like, you know, my hand was here, like, and I was chopping like this, you know, so you think, okay, forward motion this way, sure, my hand here is safe, like, you know what I mean?
I think your hand was more before your body. So if it wouldn't have hit your hand, it would have gone into your leg.
And then sure, the whole thing deflected and completely turned around and twisted on me, you know. And then coming to the second point, had I worn gloves, you know, I have good leather gloves, like, and I always get new ones and I always have them on me. Had I these on, sure, the cut wouldn't be half as bad. It would have been the difference between a plaster on it maybe and a hospital job, you know what I mean? If you handle materials, you know, like construction and like whatever, like, you know, outdoor work, You know, if you have gloves, it's just protection, like, and like that's what it's for. I never wear gloves. I hate wearing gloves.
Point 3.
Point 3 is, if you do decide to chop your fingers and you're not wearing gloves and you mess up, you know, you're being unsafe, make sure that at least you have your first aid kit with you. I had my pack here, exactly where Julius was sitting. And we went off like 1 kilometer up in the woods scouting for logs to use, right? And sure, my first aid kit was here in my pack all the time.
Yeah, but you're with a buddy. At least one of us should have a first aid kit.
Exactly, yeah, but
so
we
that
never...
wasn't too bad then.
But had I been on my own, maybe I would have been more conscious of it.
I have my first aid kit in the top pouch.
Yeah, me too, sure. It's the first thing you grab.
We made our first aid kit quite small enough so it will fit easily in a pocket here now.
Yeah.
Like that.
Anyway, sure, I think we done well, and we, like, your first aid kit, it was grand. Like, we had a little
Gauze?
It's so stupid.
What happened?
Yeah, it just glanced. It just glanced. My hand was in the way.
Well, I clean this up. You go already home?
No, we should go together.
Okay.
And I'm starting to get nauseous.
Okay, you sit down. You okay? You put gauze on it and then a bandage.
And then a bandage, and then sure, it was grand, wasn't it? Worst case, we could you know, use like a hanky or a tissue.
Man, I have 2% battery.
Don't stress.
Okay, quick. I'm sorry, buddy. I don't know why what just happened with my phone. What do you think about not being able to call? Because our phone, you didn't have your phone.
Yeah.
And
so,
my phone was on 2% battery.
Yeah, I stupidly forgot my phone. Like, it was grand, like we could walk, and like I wasn't in much pain, really, you know. But like, had it been my leg or something, it would have been a different story.
Well, years ago people didn't have a phone in those times.
Yeah, so that was my 3 points.
So, Dylan, we wanted to talk a little bit. 3, 2, 1, action! Our Patreon. Yeah, did you know we have a Patreon?
Did you know? Nobody knew. Nobody knew. Yeah, so like, because we like making videos, and because videos take a long time to make, and poor old Julius has to sit behind his computer.
I'm doing all the
for
editing, man.
way too long. Patreon is a good way, guys, to support the channel, and there is some awesome things in there for you as well.
It's awesome to give people something back, so we have exclusive videos there. A few videos before the Smooth Gefixt started, like the 7-day wilderness trekking in Sweden. It's in Dutch with subtitles, but it's good crack.
Yeah, definitely is. Back in the day.
And 2 hours of that.
Yeah, a few other trips and just extras around the whole Smooth Gefixt channel.
The first video we ever made for the Smooth Gefixt but never got published because of
that
some
was funny.
structural struggles.
That was
but
funny.
it's a cool video.
Yeah, okay. And like that, you really get something special in return, instead of just supporting just for the sake of it, which is also possible. It's also really cool.
And the last option could be we make even an utensil, wooden utensil in the field for you and record it on the video, which will be published on the official Smooth Gefixt channel.
Yeah, so that's a win-win for everybody, because I love doing something and like creating something and having it there forever, you know what I mean? It's like eggs for your money.
We definitely also don't want to put that much energy in the Patreon that we can't put it in our own channel, because that's the priority.
So guys, if you do want to keep on watching, and if you like Julius's editing style and you want to keep seeing more, go to the Patreon site and see if there's something there that interests you. Whether it be, you know, extra footage or a personal video answering questions, or one of those awesome wooden utensils to make it also not only our time worthwhile, you know, supporting the whole channel, or, you know, you just want to do it for those extra bits. That'd be awesome too. You know, then it's a win-win. That's the idea of it. Man, gotta make us living.
But of course, we also want you more on the channel. Is that to realize in some way?
I'm a bit tied down with projects that I would like to finish. You know,
building your own house.
Yeah, so that requires time
and money also.
And money, you know. So like, doing the YouTube stuff I really like, but it doesn't give me neither of them. You know what I mean?
No.
So that's why everything is on a hold a little bit, you know? Like everybody's like, yeah, you want money, sure, I want money too. Everybody wants money. You know, like, you get me?
You could go live in your off-grid cabin without technology and away from society.
Yeah, sure, but you guys will be missing out. That's the problem.
So go check out the Patreon site, and we thank you a lot for the support. Yeah, next week we have paddle carving official.
Yeah, paddle carving official and proper.
With 1 or 2 hands, Dylan?
I'd say about 1.5.
Stay tuned for that. And after that, probably canoeing, huh?
Yeah, nice one. Yeah, cheers guys. I hope you enjoyed. And stick around for the next one. What do you guys think of Julius' moustache?
But I like to be more outdoorsman looking. So
AKA
that's
hairy.
That's the ambition here, but if it's working out,
Okay, let's go, man. It's cold.
go, 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 go.